Introducing the PetMate Pet Fountain, designed to improve your pet's hydration by providing clean, clear, flowing drinking water. The replaceable filter cartridge keeps the water fresh and free from odours, just the way your pet likes it. A cartridge is included with your new fountain, and we recommend the cartridge is replaced monthly. The isolated pump system reduces vibrations to ensure near-silent operation. The pump is low voltage for your pet's safety, and the flow can be easily adjusted by turning the dial on the front of the pump. The multi-height drinking stations are convenient for both cats and small dogs. And the water ramp prevents water loss and noise caused by splashing. Both drinking bowls are dishwasher safe.